When it comes to writing, do you find it difficult to form your letters B and D? In this video, I'm going to show you some strategies to figure out how to form your letter B and D in your writing. Get your pencil and come learn with me. All right, one of the first strategies I want to show you is to draw a double wide line. So take two markers or two pencils, put it next to each other like this, and draw a cross on your paper. Doesn't have to be straight. There we go. Now I'm going to draw my B. My B is going to start at the top, and it's going to start with a dive down, swim up, over, and you might be tempted to go to the left, but I need you to remember when you're making your B's, we read from left to right. So any mark you make, you're going to go to the right. B. Dive down, swim up, and over, around. Let's try that again. Dive down, swim up, over, and around. Let's try that again. Put a dot on the top, and let's say the sound of B, B, B. You might notice that you start with your lips closed, B, and then you open your mouth, B. So this line down represents your lip being closed. Going from left to right, B. Swim up, over, and around. B. One more time. Dive down, swim up, and over this way, around. B. B, B, B. Another thing I want you to notice is that B can fit inside of a capital letter B. So let's try this one. Capital B. Do you see that our lowercase b fit inside of our capital B? Now take your left hand and make a number 1. Look at that and compare to lowercase b. Dive down, swim up and over to the right, around. Dive down, swim up, over, and around. B, B, B. Let's draw two visuals to help us remember the lowercase b. The first picture that we want to draw is a belly. B, 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 belly. So here's my person with a face. The body is here. And the legs are here. The arms are here. B, 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 belly. So here's the person's body, and their belly is going to go up, over this way, and around. B, 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 belly. Another visual I want to help you think about is a bat and a ball. B, 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 bat. Well, when you play baseball, you need a bat and a ball, don't you? B, 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 bat. Here is your bat. It is long. B, 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 bat. And the ball. B, 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 ball. I hope this video was helpful for you to learn your letter B. Please like and subscribe and continue to watch to see how we form the letter D together. All right, guys, we're going to start looking at letter D by comparing some different ways to form this letter. Okay, so I want you to grab two markers or two pencils, draw a straight line across. Doesn't have to be straight. And I want you to think, the letter D has a special way of being formed. It all starts with your magic C. So I want you to think about, how do I write a C? C is on this dot, and I make a turn just like this. Magic C. Magic C turns into different letters. Let me just write 5 magic C's for you to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Watch how I turn this magic C into different letters. C turns into the letter O. C turns into the letter A. C turns into the letter D, which we're going to look at further. C turns into the letter G. And C turns into the letter Q. Okay, what we want to focus on is C turning C into the letter D. As you noticed in this video so far, C starts here at this dot, and it always starts with a circular shape. Okay, so I'm going to make another double wide line at the bottom, and then we will practice your letter D. Okay, we start with the C. We always start with a rounded shape. Magic C. So here's your starting point right here. Magic C. Up like a helicopter, all the way up, down, bump. Do it again with me. Magic C. D, D. Magic C, up like a helicopter, all the way up and down, bump. Try it again, one last time. Magic C, up like a helicopter, all the way up and down, bump. Notice that your magic C is here in all of your letter D. If you are trying to write the letter D, make sure that you start out with a circle in this shape right here. And when you say D, 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 your tongue, think where your tongue is. Your tongue is at the roof of your mouth. D, 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 D. It's like you can fit a gumball inside of your tongue, almost. D, D, D. So we have to start with the rounded shape. Okay? Now I want you to think of a visual that will help us. Again, we're going to make this visual of a person who has a body, arms, and legs. D, D, D. Well, if I'm making the letter D and I accidentally made this line here, where would my D part be? In the front or in the back? I want you to think about a diaper. D, 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 diaper. And this diaper would be behind a person here. There it is. You have to make your magic C right here in the back before the line. Magic C, up like a helicopter, all the way up and down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, all the way up and down, bump. There is your diaper. Now let's make another visual to help you remember the letter D. We're going to make a doorknob. D, 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 doorknob. What shape is a doorknob normally? That's right. It's a circular shape. So I'm going to make about a circle, like a letter C. And then after you hold the doorknob, what do you see next? Your door. That's right. So make a big, long door. Doorknob, d, d, door, d, d. Remember, when you said the sound for D, where's your tongue? At the roof of your mouth. D, d, d. There you go. Make sure you have that rounded part first. Magic C, up like a helicopter, all the way up and down, bump. Here it is. We have our doorknob and our door. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you like, please click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video so we can learn more about P's and Q's.